Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Harley J, and right now I'm doing something kind of weird. Let me show you. So I have this weird rig right now, and it's like I'm just doing some photography of like this pencil you can see.
Right.
And I'm actually just using my phone to take the photos. I'm using this camera as like a weight, just to make it like a pulling system. And it's a weird rig that I have. It's like I don't know if you would call this a rig, but it's like actually kind of cool because like I have this cool pulley system. But photos of it on my Instagram. I'm gonna put some photos taken on this rig soon on Instagram. Look how crazy this rig is. And look, if I pull this string, well, if I pull this, like the camera down, the phone
Withdrawing my
goes
name.
up. Okay, so I just switched to my mom's phone right now, about a minute ago, or some time ago. This is the camera I was just shooting on. And then it's just like wait for this whole entire rig. So I'm taking actually photos of that pencil and that piece of paper. And the reason I want this rig is just give myself a little extra support. I take it, so I can like go down, and I just have some support. The camera, so it's a nice rig. It definitely helps with stabilization and making the photos look good. Yeah, check out my Instagram where I'm going to be posting these photos. Put a link to my Instagram in the description below, but if you want to know, it's on screen right now. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So yeah, peace out.